Hi guys, welcome back to Self-Made once again. Today we are going to talk about 10 tricks and tips to follow if you want to grow on Facebook. First, think first, make sure your profile picture and cover photo are high quality and represent you and your brand well. Number two, use Facebook insights to learn about your audience and what content they engage with the most. This will help you tailor your content to their interests. Number three, consistency is the key. Post regularly and at optimum times when your audience is mostly active. Number four, use eye-catching visuals and videos to make your content stand out in the news feed. Number five, engage with your audience by responding to comments and message promptly and authentically. This will help you build a loyal following. Number six, utilize Facebook groups related to your niche or industry. Connect with like-minded individuals and potential customers. Number seven, experiment with Facebook ads to reach a wider audience and drive your traffic or page to the website. Number eight, collaborate with other pages or influencers in your niche to cross promote each other's content and reach new audience. Don't be afraid to try out new things. Test out different types of content such as tools, quizzes, or live videos to keep your audience engaged. Lastly, track your progress using Facebook Insights and adjust your strategy accordingly based on what's working and what's not. So there's you have it, the 10 tips to help you grow on Facebook. Remember, it takes time and effort, but consistency and dedication, you can build a successful presence on this platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.